All right, let's bring in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar, because when the trial first started, Michael, I think we all felt like, where's the evidence to say Chad was the leader, the ringmaster, and should be found guilty of murder of 3 people, not just conspiracy to commit murder? And not only the names they used, and Marie's great points, but also we just heard testimony that Chad was talking about percentages, the death percentage of Tylee and JJ. I think this is a pretty good, compelling piece of evidence for the state.
I think it's a very compelling piece of evidence to the state. Clearly, listen, Chad is clearly a weirdo. Michael Ayala teased me yesterday. He said that I was on an island on my own because I still believe that the case has not been proven beyond a reasonable doubt to Chad. But I want to put 2 caveats on that. Without a shadow of a doubt, this guy's a weirdo who conspired to cover up these murders after the fact, and also without a shadow of a doubt, unfortunately, he's going to get convicted. Why do I think he's going to get convicted, even though I still don't believe that they've proven beyond a reasonable doubt he was orchestrating these murders? The non-admissible evidence that this jury came into this case knowing, everybody knows that his beloved, lovely wife has already been convicted of murdering her 2 children, and her beautiful brother killed his niece and nephew. I don't believe we've seen compelling evidence that beyond a reasonable doubt he orchestrated before the fact the murder of his stepson and his stepdaughter. I acknowledge I'm on an island on my own, and I'm probably wrong on this.
But also, to your point, it can be a split verdict. So Tammy, to me, the evidence is a little bit different. There's no other reasonable explanation of what happened to her. If you believe the autopsy that was done after her body was exhumed. The 2 children, though, to your point, a jury may not find like the connection strong enough. Those are the things this jury's going to have to decide. Hearing about Lori is pushing Daybell. Still with us to help us, Michael Jaafar, Marie Pereira. Michael, you first. What are your final thoughts?
I think I'm still sticking to my initial opinion, which is he clearly is a weird guy who did everything possible to help his new wife cover up her foul deeds. And these text messages, obviously, they're private text messages. We really don't know what they're referencing to, Judge Ashley. You know, we saw the inappropriate references. For me, this case, I just don't see the compelling evidence that before the fact he committed the murders of these 2 kids.
I do agree with you. I don't think there is strong, compelling evidence, but yet I think that jury may get there.